Nice
on my own.
palm grove. Well, no, I'll come with you.
If it's sunny. I don't know.
No, well, if it's nice, we'll do a video.
Because when you get boardwalks, that's such great photography. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, it's great. Beautiful big eucalyptus.
But it doesn't have to be like just me hooping in the distance. Like just.
Yeah,
with the
under the gum trees, under the eucalyptus trees, maybe between the palms. Look at them all. And look at that one there, Cora. Look at that beautiful palm. We planted that one years ago. See, the big one looks like a date palm in there. Isn't it amazing? That's beauty.
And then do they just do this whole, like when you travel from California, places where they shave them all, is that just to keep them?
Yeah, no, these,
Aesthetic?
so my buddy did these with a box cutter years ago. So that looked
It's
like
for
that.
aesthetic.
It's just aesthetic. So
It's
that's
aesthetic.
the same. Well, this is actually called a Trachycarpus wagnerianus. That's a Fortuna. I see the fronds are a little
These
bit
are not the
stiffer.
same?
No, see this fronds are smaller and stiffer on this one? If you look at it, they're actually smaller and stiffer than that one. So
Oh, sorry.
yeah, so the fronds are these. Those are fronds up there. And it's got smaller, stiffer
two
fronds.
beside each other are
Those
not
are the
the same?
same. Those are the same. This is different. So this is called a Trachycarpus wagnerianus. That's called a Trachycarpus fortunae.
It's tighter and it's.
Yeah, and it's got tighter, smaller fronds.
Okay.
The fans on it are smaller. That one there is called a Jubea chilensis. See the big one with the big, nice feather leaves on it? See the one in the corner there with the big, beautiful feather leaves on it?
Can you do that for a second?
Yeah. That's
Let's
a
just start like
Chilean
this.
wine palm.
Go like this. I'm gonna put a video on.
Okay.
And then I want you to tell me.
Mhm.
We're gonna just say what these are and say what this is again.
Okay, I'll do that.